Hi, welcome to the Airline Reservation System application using C++. When we run this application, it will display all the menu items. I'm choosing the reserve seat item. Then it display all the flights available with the dates on particular dates. I'm choosing flight number 2 from New York to Los Angeles, and it asks us to book number of seats. I'm choosing 2 seats. So it will display all the seats available in the particular flight. I'm choosing seat number 3 and 4. 3. It asks us passenger information, first name and last name, ID. Then it will update the available seats and ask us to choose from this. I'm choosing seat number 4. It asks us passenger information and ID. So it displays the your seats are booked information. Then we can choose the menu item 2, flight schedule. Then it displays all the flights available in the particular app. And the third menu is display passenger info. It asks us to choose the particular flight passengers info. I'm choosing flight number 2. Then it displays the passengers with the seat number, flight name, flight number, flight information. Then it from the menu, next one is flight details. It asks us to choose one flight from the all flights. I'm choosing flight number 2. Then it display the flight details with free seats left and seats booked, arrival time and departure time. And from the menu, the fifth one is passengers ticket information. It asks us to choose again flight, and it asks us to choose the passenger ID. I'm choosing 10. Then it display the particular passenger ticket information, name, flight number, flight from New York to Los Angeles and seat number. The last one is if we want to quit, we can choose the 0. Then it will return back to the application. Thank you.